Hey guys, welcome back. I've been using Freecash for a while now, and here's what I think. Freecash is a rewards website where you earn money by completing surveys, downloading apps, playing games, and signing up for offers. In return, you can cash out through PayPal, crypto, or gift cards. So, is Freecash real or fake? Freecash is real. It is a legit platform, and it does pay users. There are thousands of users who have successfully withdrawn money. The site has been operating for several years and has built a large online presence. However, real does not mean easy. You are not getting paid just for signing up. Most of the higher payouts require you to complete tasks like reaching certain levels in mobile games or signing up for services. Some offers can take hours or even days to complete. Surveys can also be hit or miss. You might answer several questions and then get disqualified without earning anything. Another thing to understand is that Freecash works with third-party offer providers. If tracking fails, you may need to contact support. Sometimes payouts can be delayed while your account is reviewed, especially for bigger withdrawals. That does not mean it is fake. It just means it is a reward platform with rules and checks in place. If you treat Freecash as a small side income source, it can work. If you expect fast full-time money, you will probably be disappointed. So overall, Freecash is real, not fake. Just read the offer terms carefully, do not spend money unless the reward makes sense, and keep your expectations realistic.